Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a pack with me vlog. Tomorrow we're leaving for LA and we're going to a Sephora event. I'm so excited, and I've only been to LA once before and it was for one day. So I'm so excited to have a little bit more time to explore the city. I thought it would be fun to make this video. I love watching like vlogs and like pack with me's and like travel videos. I need to go run some errands right now. I need to grab Omar some jeans if I can find them, some t-shirts, and I need to get myself some makeup because let's be honest, if I'm going to a Sephora event, my makeup needs to look like on point. So I'm gonna go run my errands and then I'll be back to show you guys what I'm going to pack with me. I'm gonna show you guys my outfits, my luggage, everything that I'm bringing with me. So let's go ahead and get this day started because I have a lot to do. First thing I'm gonna do is pick myself up a Starbucks drink, and I'm so boring when it comes to Starbucks drinks, guys. Like, how much more boring can I actually get? I'm literally getting an herbal tea, but it's so good. I love their, I think it's called Jasmine Citrus Mint or something like that. It's like a green tea and it's so yummy. So I'm gonna pick this up and then finish off the rest of my errands.
Starbucks, may I take your order, please?
Hi, can I get a grande citrus mint tea?
A grande what, ma'am?
Citrus mint.
I'm sorry, ma'am. We're actually out of the jade citrus mint right now.
Oh, okay, what other herbal teas do you have?
Our herbal teas are our Mint Majesty and the Peach Tranquility.
Did you say Peach Tranquility?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll try that one.
Okay, what size?
Grande.
Anything else?
That's it.
All right, it's going to be $2.65 at the window. Thank you.
Thank you.
And here's the Grande Peach Tranquility tea.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. They gave me a venti. Okay, so they didn't have the, it's called Jade Citrus Mint. So I got the Peach Tranquility tea, and they also gave me a venti cup, which is kind of cool. It smells so good. It smells like peaches. Oh my gosh. I've never tried this one, so hopefully it's good. Okay, I just made it back to my car and I went a little bit crazy at the matte counter. I got some really beautiful nude shades, some berry shades, some like rusty tones. I love these colors, especially for fall. I'm working on a post for my like favorite fall lipsticks, so I'm gonna be sharing with you guys these lipsticks very soon. But now I need to go by the post office and then finally head home to actually start packing. I found Omar some jeans, which is very hard to do. He does not fit into jeans very well, so he has to have this one specific kind from Levi's. So I found them in his size, thankfully. And then I got some new foundation, got my lipsticks. Just got back home and I pulled out my luggage. I wanted to show you guys the luggage that I always use because this is like my favorite luggage brand ever. It's so sleek and sophisticated. This is the Away luggage set in the black color, and after I pulled it out, I realized, oh my gosh, there are so many stickers all over these things. So I'm gonna take off the stickers, wipe them down, and then get to packing. I mean, I guess the stickers just shows you how much traveling we've done over the past couple of years. But yeah, the last time we traveled, they like stickered them up so much, and that's bothering me. So I'm gonna take those off and then I'm gonna show you some of the outfits that I have planned. Okay, we're going to resume packing in just a second, but I just received a really exciting package. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this all week, and okay, I'm gonna show you guys what it is. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is a package from Vinader. This is my favorite jewelry brand. They make the most beautiful, dainty jewelry pieces, and I'm just so excited to open these with you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna open these up and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. Okay, I brought these over to this window just so you could get a better look at them and so you can see them with natural light, but oh my goodness, how gorgeous and stunning is this charm bracelet. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to get it to focus, but they just released their new charm bracelets at Vinader, and they're so dainty and feminine. I chose a few charms. I love this teardrop shape that they're like really well known for. I also have the teardrop shaped ring. I think it's called the Riva, or it's in the Riva collection. This is a ring that I wear every single day, so I absolutely love these. I also got a really pretty coin charm. It's like they're all rose gold. Another smooth teardrop, a little bit bigger teardrop. And then this one's a really pretty, like pale pink stone, just so dainty and gorgeous. Since these pendants can also be worn as a necklace, I got a couple of different chains that I can wear at different lengths and just kind of like stack them up, either on my bracelet or as a necklace. I just think that's so beautiful. I love little stackable dainty rings, and I wanted a few more to add to my collection. So this one is just a rose gold infinity band, and I think I'm going to add it to my ring stack on my left hand for my engagement ring. And then this one, if it would focus, it's just very similar to the ring that I already have in the Riva collection, but it's just this beautiful like mini circle design. I just think that is so beautiful. I got 2 of the classic Monica Vinader bangles. I just think these are so stunning. I got the gold color and the rose gold color because I thought it would be pretty to like stack them up and like mix metals. So beautiful. I absolutely love that. And then I can wear them on their own as well. If I just want to wear gold that day, I can do that. So I am so excited to style these up. I'll show you guys what they look like on in just a little bit, but I had to share this with you. I'm actually going to be receiving a code for you guys to get 20% off of Monica Vinader. So keep a lookout on my Instagram for that code. I'm so excited to be working with them pretty soon. This is my favorite jewelry company, so I'm so excited. How gorgeous. So anytime I'm going on a trip, I always take my phone, I go into the notes, and I write like a little itinerary, just like a little, like I'll just jot down what we're doing that day so that I know what kind of outfit I need to bring. And then from there, I'll like write down each outfit that I'm gonna be wearing that day. That way I don't forget anything, and that way I just pack exactly what I need. Okay, so I threw on a t-shirt. I think it looks so much better with this outfit. It just makes it a little bit more like laid back and cool. And then I threw on my purse. This just looks so good with these booties. I got these booties from ASOS recently, so hopefully they still have them. This jacket is actually old from Anaya collection a while ago. And you guys, I threw on the bracelets. Let's see if I can get these to... How gorgeous. I put them on. I could not help myself. They just like finish off the look, and they just add like femininity and just like sparkle. I just love it. So gorgeous. I'm probably not gonna wear this jersey hijab. I'm probably gonna wear a chiffon hijab, but probably in the same tone as this one. So yeah, I love this outfit. I think this is gonna be so super cute. On the next day, on Saturday, we're going to this actual Sephora event, and I'm not sure if I actually want to wear jeans or not. Now that I'm looking at it, this may dress it down too much, but I don't think it's that dressy of an event. Like, I think it's a pretty casual event, so I thought I would do something kind of like cute casual. So I paired this really pretty peach colored blazer from Mango. I just got this in the mail. This is really cute actually. It's really lightweight, so I feel like it won't be too hot or anything. I don't think it's supposed to be very cold at all in LA. So I think this is a really cute like casual look, but I am gonna try this outfit on with some like more dressier pants. Okay, you guys, this outfit is so much more me. These pants are from Mango. I love the wide cuff. The only problem with these pants is that they are really long, so I will have to wear some heels, which I don't normally wear heels just because I do not want to be uncomfortable, but this outfit is so much more cute with these wide leg pants, so I think this is what I'm gonna wear to the Sephora event. Okay, so here it is with the heels and my bag. I just think this is gonna be so cute. Again, this is probably not the hijab I'm gonna wear. I just have this on because it's the closest one next to me, so I can show you guys my outfit. I usually pick my hijab like very last minute. I pick out my outfit and then I just throw on like a neutral hijab that matches. So that's kind of like how I pick out my hijabs. But I just love this look, so excited. Okay, for this last look, I have a full day of meetings planned on Monday while I'm in LA, and me living in like a small town, I don't attend brand meetings very often. So I'm a little bit nervous, and so I really want to wear something really cute but still professional. I got these checkered print pants off of ASOS. They're Misguided, and they're kind of like a brownish gray with white and navy stripes. I just thought they were so pretty. And then I have this blazer that I just got from Mango, and it looks so much better on the picture on the model on the website. Like, I don't know what happened. They did send me like a size too big. I ordered a small. The sizing on Mango I found runs a little bit big, so I usually order a small on there, and they sent me a medium, and I feel like it just kind of like looks kind of awkward on me. So I'm gonna see what I think. I don't know. Okay, the lighting in here kind of sucks, but I decided that it was actually the pants that I hated. So I changed out the pants, and I really do actually like this jacket. It's like a loose, kind of like laid back blazer, and it has a tie, and I just think it's really, really cute. I thought this was a really cute, kind of like a businessy outfit that I could wear for my meetings. So I had to put it on with the hijab that I would actually wear. I wanted to like see it all like come together just to make 100% sure, but I do really, really like this. So I think this is the one. All right, so I went ahead and I laid out all of my outfits. This is what I always do just to make sure that I don't forget anything. I have all the outfits that I picked out plus my pajamas. I put all the shoes and bags next to everything just so I know that I have everything there. I also put in a workout outfit and my tennis shoes. I wanted to show you guys this because it is just like a lifesaver for me. This is a handheld steamer, and I take this with me every time I travel, and not just when I travel, I use this at home all the time. It's just like the best thing ever to get wrinkles out of your clothes, and it's really compact, so I love traveling with that. So I also have all the chiffon hijabs that I'm taking, all the jersey hijabs I'm taking, a hijab cap. I'm also wearing another one up there, and then I have my pins. So earlier today when I was doing my makeup, I usually just like leave all of the makeup out that I use so I make sure I don't forget anything. And then I also took out a couple of palettes that I think I'm going to use. And I also have all of the lipsticks that I bought today. I guess I can go ahead and show you which colors I got from MAC just in case you're curious. So for lipsticks today, I got Velvet Teddy, which is like a classic, but I don't have mine anymore. I got Honey Love, which is another classic. I got Taupe, which is like a really pretty browny nude shade, but it's a little bit darker for my skin tone. And then I got the lip liners Spice and Oak. So I'm super excited to try those out for some fall lip combos. I also picked up Born This Way by Too Faced because this is one of my absolute favorite foundations that I have been out of for a while. So for my carry-on, I'm taking my Neverfull Louis Vuitton. I love this purse for traveling. It's such a good bag. I'm so excited because I just got an organizer for it. So this will help keep its shape and then also just kind of protect the lining at the bottom and just allow me to like organize it better so I can like slip things in these little pockets. I'll link this down below. They have these little organizers for like any kind of bag, but this one said that it fit the Louis Vuitton Neverfull perfectly, and it really does, and I love that it just like helps maintain its shape. So if you guys are interested in that, I will leave that down below. So another thing I got to become a little bit more organized when I travel are these little travel pouches that I got from a brand called Kuyana. I saw this brand on Instagram and I placed an order. I really, really love the quality of their stuff. This is just their like little travel pouch set, and I think what I'm gonna do is put like products that I use like day to day, just kind of like to touch up. I'll put like my lip products and like some powder and a beauty blender in there and maybe a little bit of concealer, and then in here I'm gonna put like all my electronic stuff like my phone, my vlogging camera, chargers, that kind of stuff in there. So I can just be a little bit more organized. So I'm just packing up my bag. I love having all these little compartments and little pouches. It just makes it so much easier. I went ahead and started putting all of my tech stuff in this little pouch. I have my laptop charger, my little adapter, and my hard drive, my headphones, and then I'll add my vlogging camera in here. Get my wallet. And this is just gonna be so much more convenient. Omar went ahead and started packing our huge backpack full of all of our tech stuff. You guys don't even realize how much stuff we have to bring with us when we travel. And honestly, I don't know why he's bringing half this stuff. This is like a 4-day trip. He's bringing his drone. We have a bunch of lenses. We have our little tripod thingy. I don't even know what half the stuff is. Thank God Omar does. So yeah, that's what that is. So I went ahead and decided that I was gonna put all of like my designer items in this little carry-on just to be 100% safe that everything will be okay. And then I went ahead and packed all my stuff in the suitcase, and then I have my makeup and my toiletries and Omar's drone bag. So Omar's stuff will go here. Isn't that crazy? Like mine fits up like all this stuff, and then Omar gets this little corner over here. So we're gonna pack up Omar's stuff, finish packing up the tech stuff, and then I think we're pretty much good to go. We're all packed up and ready to go. Yay. Our flight's in the morning. We're gonna drive to Dallas to be with my sisters. They're gonna let us spend the night at their apartment before we get on our flight. So yeah, we are getting a late start. What time is it? Like 8 o'clock at night?
No.
It looks like it's 8 o'clock at night. Okay, 7 o'clock, and we'll get there at like 9. At least we'll be able to get up early and have a fresh start in the morning. Good morning, guys. So last night we drove up to Dallas to spend the night with my sisters here. It would just be a lot easier for us to get to the airport if we were already in Dallas. I actually woke up early this morning and went and took pictures with my photographer. This was like the only time that I was going to be able to take pictures, was like literally the day of my flight. And it's raining, so I was like, crap. So as I was driving there, it was dry, and then all of a sudden it just started like sprinkling. So we managed to take the pictures while it was sprinkling outside, but we got them done. So I got back here to their apartment. I changed into the outfit that I'm going to be wearing on the plane, and since it is raining a little bit, they did delay our flight by like an hour or so, so that gives us a little bit of time to go and get some breakfast. So I'm super happy about that. So I think we're going to go eat something, and then we're going to go get on our flight. Hopefully it's not delayed any more than what it already is. We just got to our gate, so we will see you guys in LA.